If you work 9 to 6 and your belly keeps growing, this is your fix. Right now, you're probably stuck at your desk, feeling sluggish, maybe even frustrated that your work routine is literally expanding your waistline. Trust me, I know the pain of a schedule that leaves you no time and even less energy. But listen, today, I'm about to flip your script, cut through the excuses and show you meals that actually fight back against your routine. You don't need fancy ingredients, a private chef, or hours of cooking. What you need is a battle plan, real food, real flavor, and real results. We're not settling for bland salads or another dry protein bar. We're building meals that satisfy your hunger, boost your energy, and absolutely crush those cravings that sneak up mid-afternoon. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 power-packed meals that work as hard as you do. No more letting your job dictate your body. Get ready to reclaim your routine, one bite at a time. Let's get cooking. Let's kick things off with the garlic lemon chicken power bowl, the anchor of your day. This isn't just a meal, it's your shield against the junk food avalanche. Why? Because protein is your body's best mate when it comes to fighting off those relentless cravings. When you start your day with a solid hit of protein, you're basically telling your body, I'm in charge. I decide what goes in. Now, most people think healthy means boring, but I'm not having any of that. We're seasoning up chicken breast with fresh garlic, a good squeeze of lemon, a dash of olive oil, and a sprinkle of sea salt. Straight onto a hot pan. That aroma, that's the smell of you taking control back. While the chicken cooks, let's talk about the base. You want grains that keep you full, think brown rice or quinoa. They're slow-burning fuel, not empty carbs. Toss in some roasted veg, broccoli, bell pepper, a bit of red onion. Don't skimp on color. The more nutrients. And trust me, a vibrant bowl keeps you coming back. Here's where most people mess it all up. They underseason, and then the food tastes like cardboard. Don't be shy with your spices. Paprika, a touch of cumin, maybe some chili flakes if you like a kick. Layer that flavor, and suddenly, this isn't just healthy, it's crave-worthy. When the chicken's done, slice it up, lay it over your veg and grains. But we're not finished. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil, squeeze more lemon, and hit it with fresh chopped herbs, parsley, dill, or even mint. You want freshness in every bite. Why does this meal work? Because your body gets what it needs. Protein blunts those hunger spikes. Fiber from the veg keeps you full. The natural oils help you absorb all the goodness. You'll find yourself breezing past the donut tray at work because your body isn't begging for a quick fix. And listen, don't skip the prep. You can batch cook your chicken on Sunday, portion it into containers, and you're set for the week. No more last-minute panic or resorting to greasy takeaway. If you're thinking, but Gordon, I don't have time. Make time. You make time for meetings, for emails, for everyone else. This is for you. 30 minutes on a Sunday, and you're sorted all week. Remember, this isn't punishment food. This is power food. It's how you start winning before your workday even throws the first punch. If you want to dial it up, add a spoonful of Greek yogurt on the side. Creamy, tangy, and another hit of protein. Or swap chicken for salmon if you fancy a change. Same rules, different flavor bomb. Bottom line, anchor your day with this garlic lemon chicken power bowl, and you'll feel the difference by Wednesday. Your energy, your focus, your waistline, they'll all start fighting back with you. This is where most office diets fail. They eat tiny meals and end up snacking all afternoon. Let's fix that right now. Introducing the Turkey Veggie Crunch Stir Bowl. This is the meal that fills you up, not out. You get mountains of food, but the calorie count stays in check. Ground turkey is your secret weapon. It's lean, it's packed with protein, and it takes on flavor like a sponge. Start with a hot pan, break up your turkey, season with garlic, a splash of soy sauce, maybe ginger if you're feeling adventurous. Let it brown and soak up all those flavors. Now, here's the trick. Add a ton of veggies. I'm talking shredded cabbage, carrots, snap peas, even a handful of spinach. These are high-volume, low-calorie champions. You can eat a mountain and still be well within your calorie budget. As everything cooks together, the veggies release moisture and flavor, so you get that big, satisfying stir-fry without ladling in oil or sauce. You want crunch? Throw in some water chestnuts or sliced radishes right at the end. Most people give up on their lunch because it's boring or leaves them hungry. Not this one. The Turkey Veggie Crunch Stir Bowl is a proper meal. You'll see the size of your bowl and think, am I really supposed to eat all this? Yes. And you'll feel full, satisfied, and not desperate for a vending machine raid at 3 p.m. A little tip, add a spoonful of sambal or sriracha for heat. Or, top with a sprinkle of sesame seeds for a bit of texture. These final touches make your meal restaurant level, not sad desk lunch. Portion it out for the week. Honestly, it reheats like a dream. And no, it won't stink up the office microwave, because you cooked it right, with fresh ingredients and bold flavors. Don't fall for the trap of tiny salads or skipping lunch. That's how you end up eating half a bag of chips before the end of the day. You need volume, you need protein, you need crunch. This bowl delivers all three. The beauty of this recipe is flexibility. Swap turkey for chicken mince, or even tofu if you want to keep it veggie. The core is high volume and high satisfaction. And don't forget, a meal like this gives you steady energy. No sugar crash, no hunger pains, just level focus so you can smash through your afternoon work. If you're tired of meals that leave you wanting more, this is your new go-to. It's the kind of lunch that makes you feel like you're eating out, not dieting. Batch cooked, portion, stack in the fridge, done. That's your week sorted, no more excuses. Let's be honest, sometimes you don't even have time to cook, and that's when disaster strikes. Enter the Greek yogurt tuna wrap. This meal takes less time than ordering takeout, and it's a desk reset in every bite. Start with a can of tuna, packed in water, not oil. Drain it well, then mix with a generous spoonful of thick Greek yogurt. Why Greek yogurt? It's creamy, loaded with protein, and none of the heavy fat you get from mayo. Add a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of salt, maybe some chopped celery or dill for crunch and freshness. Now grab a whole wheat wrap or even a big crisp lettuce leaf if you're cutting carbs. Spread that tuna mixture, pile on some sliced cucumber, shredded carrot, maybe a handful of baby spinach. Roll it up tight. Here's the magic. You're done. No stove, no mess, no excuses. It's faster than waiting on delivery, and you control every ingredient. You get clean protein, healthy carbs, and a punch of fiber. Your brain and body, thank you. This is the meal for those days when work is relentless and you need something to keep you full and focused. No sugar crash, no greasy fingers, just pure energy. And if you're watching calories, swap the wrap for lettuce, or even spoon it onto rice cakes. If you're at your desk thinking, I'm tired of letting my job control my body, comment desk reset below. Because this simple wrap is your first act of rebellion. And don't think it has to be boring. Stir in chopped pickles, fresh herbs, or a dash of hot sauce for extra flavor. You can make 3 of these in 10 minutes flat. That's less than the time it takes to scroll your inbox. The best part? This wrap is portable. Toss it in your bag, bring it on your commute, or stash it in the office fridge. No more excuse to grab a pastry at the coffee shop. If you're really in a rush, pre-mix the filling and keep it in the fridge. When hunger hits, assemble and eat. No more panic, no more junk. This isn't just about saving time, it's about taking charge, meal by meal. Every wrap is you winning another round against the routine that's trying to slow you down. Try it once, and you'll never look at store-bought sandwiches the same way again. You're the chef now, and you're building habits that last. If you want to see more meals like this, smash that like button, and share your favorite quick lunch combo in the comments. We're in this together. If you're tired of letting your job ruin your body, this channel is for you. Subscribe to SlimSync and start building meals that fight back against your routine. You've seen today how a little planning, the right ingredients, and a dose of confidence can completely flip your workday and your waistline on its head. Remember, no more blaming your schedule, your office, or your boss. You're in control now. Every garlic lemon chicken power bowl, every turkey veggie crunch stir bowl, and every lightning fast Greek yogurt tuna wrap is a step towards a stronger, healthier you. Don't let your desk dictate your destiny. Get in the kitchen and make your next meal count. Next video. The hidden office snacks that secretly make professionals gain weight. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Your transformation starts now. Let's do this together. See you in the next one.